mailbox delivery. Delivering to a mailbox can be convenient for both the driver and the customer. It allows the customer to quickly and easily find their package. However, only packages that properly fit inside the mailbox should be delivered this way. This helps prevent customer complaints and reimbursement requests. Forcing a package into the mailbox is completely wrong. Minimizing damage. Do not force packages into the mail slot, as this can damage the item. Damaged deliveries often lead to customer complaints and refund requests. If the customer is not available and the package does not fit in the mailbox, check the customer's delivery instructions. Send a text message to request an alternative safe location. Check for a trusted neighbor. Never leave the package outside the mailbox. Placing a package on top of or next to the mailbox increases the risk of theft. If the delivery option is not visible on the main screen, select More Options or tap the Pen Edit icon. The app will display the full list of available delivery options, allowing you to choose the correct one. If the customer is not at home and you have confirmed that the parcel does not require OTP, age 18 verification, or a signature, and the parcel fits safely through the mail slot, you may proceed with this delivery method. Select the appropriate delivery option in the app and continue. The app may display an alert reminding you to review any customer delivery instructions before marking the parcel as delivered. Always check and follow these instructions carefully. When completing this delivery option, you must take a photo of the mailbox as proof of delivery. The image should show only the mailbox area. Do not include the parcel, any people, or your reflection in the photo. If the front door has glass panels, your reflection may appear in the photo. The system can detect a person in the image, even if it is only a reflection. Photos that include any visible person or reflection will be classified as a defective image. Always check the photo carefully before submitting it to ensure no reflections or people are visible.